Okay guys, so let's create our first next step. First of all, let's run our terminal. I am going to use command prompt. So go to your search bar and type here Next.js and click enter, and go to the official website of Next.js, nextjs.org, and click over that. Click get started, and you have to just run this command and px create next step test. Or you can if you have yarn installed, you can also run this. So after that, give this to our app, and I'm going to name this core. So I am not going to use TypeScript, so click no. I am not going to install uselint, so click no and click no. So no and no. And after this you will see something like this core, and you should see that all of the files here. Okay, so we have the public directory and the pages directory that that consists of index.js, document.js, and app.js. So go to the directory of core and run npm run def. Okay, you will see that a link is given, so I am going to pass this link here, and after a while you will see that it's compiling. So yeah, should see this page. So we have successfully installed Next.js to our computer. I will see you in the next video.